During a visit of India's CDS and Anil Chauhan, Armenia publicly displayed what it had bought from India. These included Akash 1S air defense systems, Pinaka rocket launchers, ATAGS artillery, Trajan 155mm guns. Additionally, Armenia had earlier purchased spotty counter-battery radars. For several years, Armenia refrained from publicly disclosing these arms purchases from India. What we see now was once secret. So, an important question arises: what more could still be secret? There are several systems that come to my mind which Armenia may have acquired and kept hidden. One such possibility is the Astra Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile. Why keep it secret? Because if Astra is integrated into Armenia's Sukhoi Su-30SM, revealing it could allow adversaries to redesign their air doctrine. A similar approach was followed by India after acquiring the Dassault Rafale from France. For years, the Rafale's operational loadout remained unclear. Only after Operation Sindoor were Rafale spotted with a full loadout during the Republic Day parade. And even now, it is likely that some systems remain undisclosed. In conflict, fighter loadouts are flexible and mission-dependent. Now, why would Armenia want Astra? Because it is the best match for its Sukhoi fighters, and India has already integrated it on the Sukhoi 30 Mki. Armenia cannot easily integrate European missiles onto Russian fighters. Meanwhile, Russia is deeply engaged in the Ukraine war. Even during the 2020 conflict, Armenia's Su-30SMs barely mattered. Without strong BVR missiles, a fighter becomes a flying radar target. On the other hand, Azerbaijan's ecosystem includes networked UAV warfare and standoff strike capability. It also fields the JF-17 Thunder, which can carry modern BVR missiles, meaning Azerbaijani jets could theoretically shoot first. Astra would give Armenia something it currently lacks, forcing Azerbaijani jets to think twice before entering contested airspace. Yes, Armenia's Su-30SMs were supposed to operate with Russian BVR missiles, like the R-77. But when Armenia received its Su-30SMs around 2019, they did not receive a full stockpile of advanced munitions. Even if Armenia has R-77, not all variants are equal. Older versions suffer from range and guidance disadvantages. With Astra, Armenia would gain options without depending purely on one supplier. Apart from the Indian systems Armenia displayed, there may be others already integrated or in the process of integration. Because all these kinetic systems are expensive battlefield multipliers, any military investing in them must ask, how do we protect them from drones? Azerbaijan's biggest advantage in 2020 was Turkish and Israeli drone dominance. So Armenia's #1 vulnerability is drone warfare, not tanks. If we take lessons from Operation Sindoor, the answer becomes clearer. India did not just rely on kinetic response. It demonstrated serious counter-drone, electronic warfare, and air defense capability. Around 70 drones were destroyed in Gujarat and Rajasthan sectors alone, and over 600 drones were neutralized overall. Even Turkish-origin Songer drones were confirmed among the destroyed systems. India created a multi-layered shield integrating SAMs, guns, and counter-UAS systems. So Armenia would logically need soft-kill electronic warfare, radar fusion, hard-kill AD, and drone spoofing capabilities. Electronic warfare is easy to hide, politically non-provocative, and hard to detect via open-source intelligence. During Sindoor, drone jamming systems were deployed near key bases, exactly the kind of capability Armenia lacks and could quietly acquire. Buying Akash is one thing. Making it effective requires data link fusion, sensor networking, shoot-look-shoot automation. This suggests Armenia may have also acquired command and control nodes and battlefield networking systems. Since Azerbaijan uses Harab-style loitering munitions and FPV drones, Armenia would logically need passive detection systems, low-cost soft-kill solutions, rapid response air defense guns. India possesses indigenous counter-UAS kits suited for such roles. If such systems are inducted into Armenian defense infrastructure, they would act as force multipliers. After buying guns, rockets, and SAMs, the next real leap is not more shooters, it's seeing first. Armenia needs airborne awareness. Persistent airspace surveillance, like one NOACS provides, would allow earlier drone detection, tracking of low-flying threats, fighter guidance, and when paired with Akash, it would significantly improve effectiveness.